Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Fire Stick to connect your PC to your TV on Windows 11 or 10. So just go on down to the Start button, and then go to Settings, and then go to System, go to Display, and then go to Multiple Displays, and go to Connect a Wireless Display. Now, you have to put your Fire Stick into the mirroring mode. Also, your computer needs to be connected to the same network, and your Fire Stick has to be connected to the same network. So very easy to do. Once you do that, hold down the home button on your Fire Stick, and then there will be an option that says mirroring. Just select that. This will put your Amazon Fire Stick in the screen mirroring mode. Once you do, it'll show up on your computer just like this. You simply just have to select it, and then it's going to connect it as an additional display. So you can see, here's my Fire Stick. It's display 3, my main monitor, and my second monitor right here. So you can just move these around to get them in the correct order. You can choose if you want to extend the display, where you can just drag an application over to your TV. If you duplicate your main screen, whatever you see on your main screen will display on your TV. Otherwise, there's an option where it will turn off your main screen and only leave the TV on. So maybe you got it like sitting right next to your TV and you don't want to see your laptop screen. Well, you can turn it off with second screen only. And then we have the option to disconnect. So very simple. Just hold down the home button, go to mirroring on your Fire Stick, and then connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.